What's up, traders? Welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is your trading coach, Forex Wizard. So we'll be doing live streaming, live trading, and live analysis. All the hottest currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, indices, whatever you are trading, and whatever we are trading with our VIP members. We'll be going through all of them. All of your question will be answered, so make sure you use the chat box on the right side to write what is your question and what pairs you want me to cover. So I'll go through all of them, what trades currently we have and what we are trading. And at the same time, as you know that today there will be a high impact news release on USD CAD, so not USD CAD, on CAD. So we might find some good trading opportunity on CAD during this live stream. So if you wanna trade with us, smash the like button and stick till the end, and also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so that you don't miss out any of the live stream, live analysis and educational content that are released every single day. So I see that Khalid joined the chat. He says, hey, Pawin, I saw Pawin. Ashok Shomon, hello coach. Yes, Ashok. Slim3, morning. Yes, Ashok. Ashok asked for Gbp USD. Yes, we'll do all of them. Gold, Khalid says very important. Yes, we'll do all of them. Everything is important. So Jamal Bosco, hey guys, yeah. Pawin says NZD USD, sir. Yes, we'll go all of them. I see many of you joined this live trading session. Coinburo says hello, Chief. Chedrick, good afternoon. Good afternoon. And USD CAD, sir, Chiditu says. So let's see what we have first. So let's begin with the one that is giving us a hot trading opportunity, and we are trading as well. So NZD USD. Now this one has created a nice false breakout to the upside, and I predicted the false breakout exactly in the right place. That's why I sent this trade signal to our VIP members. So we are running profit. This is 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As I told you, we don't trade. Sometimes we trade, but most of our trade is 1-to-2. So we are almost hitting our profit target. Our profit target is 0.67219. So it is almost there. Now, the reason I'm showing is it's because it's a winning trade. So understanding, learning from winning trade will give you a clear edge over the market. I can assure you, I can guarantee that no one in this business will be able to give you this kind of education, because this is learned from hard work. So let me tell you why I have gone short NZD USD. And why I have sent this trade signal to our VIP members is because, you see, first of all, after this green candle, this is a false breakout. I know that NZD USD will drop, okay? And that's why I so confidently send this trade signal to our students, and also I'm trading. The reason, see, first let's see the bigger picture, and I will come back to this time frame to explain why we have enter this trade. And I think that in this live session maybe we will be hitting our profit target. Only we are 8 pip away from our hitting profit target. So if you see the monthly time frame, okay, so this is the monthly time frame, NZD USD long term bearish. You see it's a clear bearish market structure. Now going to the weekly time frame, you saw the previous week has created a nice bearish candle. Now after this kind of candle, you can expect the price to drop further, and that is what NZD USD is doing, dropping as expected. This is a long-term bearish market. And at the same time, when you see that if you have there is a weekly, you see this is a strongly bearish candle with a false breakout to the upside. So in this false breakout, you see that there is a false breakout here, and as you can see that when you see this kind of false breakout, you can expect the price to drop a lot of further down, because in the weekly we saw that NZD USD basically crossed this high completely. This is a false breakout candle. So false breakout means it has enough liquidity and it will drop a lot further to the downside. That is what we are expecting, and that is where we are trying to catch. Now daily, okay, daily time frame, you see, as I mentioned quite a few times also, you see this is the trend line that I have drawn when I took the trade signal. This is what you need to understand. You see the price, first of all, you see, has created a head and shoulder pattern, or you can say the triple top, whatever you want to say. And after this triple top, what happens? See, the price created a reversal pattern. Every day I teach this. After drop down, we saw the price went up, tested this previous support as resistance and dropped, right? So this is the change of trend. Now today what happened? The price went to this doji. This is a very, very powerful doji. This is a strong bearish candle. The price just hit this one, and from there, so you see, yesterday I posted one video on how to predict this kind of false breakout. Smash the like button. If you haven't watched that, you are missing that. At the end of the live session, go to my YouTube channel and then watch that. See, what did I say in that video? The title is false breakout, understanding the secret. What did I say? That when you see an important level is hit by a very, very bigger candle, is a sign of false breakout. And the price did exactly. Look at this. With this 4-hour candle, the price hit this very, very strong level of resistance with this green candle. There is no wick at the top. So in this secret video, what did I say? That when you see a big candle hitting an important level without any proper retracement, is a sign of false breakout. Smash the like button if you have watched that video, and even if you are not joining our VIP channel, you should have made money if you have watched that video. If in the meantime, if you want to join this winning team, you saw that we are all the VIP members are here. Then there is a last day of discount for Easter sale. Go to the description area, grab it now. There's a lot of value in it. In one day you should be able to recover all that. So this is the situation with NZDUSD. Now you saw that the price created a false breakout of this resistance, previous resistance, and then we see a drop. Now at the same time, there is another important clue we need to keep in mind. See, this is the red candle that I targeted that for this shorting opportunity, because you see this candle yesterday opened, when the market opened, this is a bearish engulfer. It's a nice bearish engulfer, opened with a gap and then closed below. It's a nice bearish engulfer, and this candle just been tested today, okay, today with this long candle, and that's why I trade short. Okay, I know that it is going to go down. Smash the like button, and also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So that's what you need to always keep in mind when you see a instrument trading trending up or down. Wait for a false breakout of an important level. Let me show you again what you will wait for. Let's say consider an uptrend, okay, like this, creating a series of higher high and higher low. Okay, so when you see this is the pullback. In this pullback, wait for a false breakout of this previous support. Okay, this is the previous resistance. Wait for a false breakout and then wait for a price action pattern for going long, and that is the right trade. And in this false breakout, wait for a big candle to hit. Okay, so that is how you will predict the false breakout. When you see false breakout of an important level, high probability that 98% case this will be a winning trade, and that's how you have to catch winning trade. Smash the like button if you have caught it. If you haven't, don't worry, stay with the channel, and then we will make a lot of money from this channel. And NZD broke resistance on 4 hour. Yes, we have done a nice trade. Boomer said hello sir. Yes, Boomer. Mark Paluti, hello friends. Hello Mark. Hopefully you didn't close the trade NZDUSD. I saw that you posted on VIP chat that NZDUSD in a support. What should you do? Hold the trade until you get the full profit. Smash the like button. And McLura, hello sir, McLura from Philippines. Thank you McLura for joining. Bragi, Makobu, good afternoon friends. Yes, Bago. Kakulan says hello, hi. Yeah, Kakulan. Courage, if any, good day, Chief. Yes, courage. Always stay courage. Chiditu, selling USD CAD at 1.2590. Should I close, sir? Okay. USD CAD, there is a news release, so it's still not ready for selling. It could be, yeah, there is a doji, so we might see after the news release, we might see a little bit of drop down, but it's still the price action is not mature. So let's see what happening. I think that it is creating kind of head and shoulder on the 4 hour, and we might see slowly a drop later today. Let's see what's happening. If we see that further rise, then but I think that it will drop. CAD is going to be strong, going to be stronger. So NZD/USD, we see little bit of retracement. Let it be retraced. So Mark Balod is still open. Yes, Mark, great. Mixchi says hello master. Yes, Mixchi, thank you for joining this live trading session. Lizard King, yes, Lizard, how are you today? So let's see now gold. Okay, now gold, we have entered another trade on gold. Smash the like button. Just together we trade, open to trade, one in NZD/USD, which is almost hitting our profit target. Another one is gold. So we are where we have entered the trade. So we are at the entry of our position, almost at the entry, and we bought gold. Now let me explain what did I buy gold. Now before I explain, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let me tell you, the gold analysis, it is going to be super important for you. Either you are trading by yourself or trading with us. So let me tell you why did I enter gold. Now look at this one, gold. So this is what you need to keep in mind. I believe that gold will have a big shoot to the upside. Okay, the reason, look at the daily candlestick pattern. This is the daily chart on gold. Okay, so that's what I normally pay attention. Previous day, what did you saw? A shooting star. Smash the like button. Yesterday I taught you clearly what is a shooting star. Let me know if you still don't know what is a shooting star. So gold is bullish, that we saw that yesterday there is a shooting star has been formed. Okay, so this is a shooting star on this important level of support. So this is a level of support here. If we draw, this is a level of support. Okay, even if we draw, extend it to here. So okay, so the important level of support. Why? You saw the last day of trading week, this daily doji has been created. Now yesterday the price broke this daily doji, closed, went above and closed in this place. So this is a nice looking shooting star in this level of support. So this is an uptrend. When you see a shooting star that has crossed the previous day's low, that means that it has enough liquidity in it to go up. Now as soon as the day opened, we saw the price came down here, to this our almost in our position, and then started to push up. So gold started to be bullish. As you see that after this kind of shooting star, what you can expect to gold go up, and over the long term also gold is bullish. Okay, Khalid, check out your VIP signal. Still you can take the trade, Khalid. Check out our VIP signal. We sent 2 trade. One is gold, one is NZD/USD. Okay, during the London session. So check out the signal page. You still can take that. So let's see on the monthly time frame. So what you saw on the monthly, as I told you that gold monthly has created a shooting star, monthly shooting star. It's a huge candle. Smash the like button now. Why it is a huge candle? See, as I told you yesterday, when you see a direction on the monthly time frame, that's a high probability that this instrument will give you a big trade over the month. So when we saw that the gold has created a monthly shooting star on a monthly level of resistance. So this is the monthly resistance here. Okay, this is the monthly resistance here. This is the monthly resistance tested as a support. Okay, tested as a support. Now on this monthly resistance tested as a support, what did you see? That gold just bounced from this level of support. Okay, so when gold bounced from this level of support, that means that it is likely to continue further to the upside, because it's a monthly shooting star and we can expect it to go up further. So weekly, what did it do? Now weekly, as soon as the market opened, we saw first of all one impulse to the upside, meaning that it is preparing for a push up, and you saw that weekly price action is a bullish price action. There was a consolidation and broke to the upside. Okay, so this kind of pattern is a bullish pattern. Why? Over the long term, gold is bullish. You saw there is an impulse, correction, and consolidation. Now we can expect another impulse, and this impulse could be, stronger impulse. Why? Let me show you on the daily time frame. Now what you saw on the daily gold, you see there was a long consolidation has been created. Okay, now in this daily consolidation, one important thing we need to keep in mind, that see with this red candle, you see with this red candle, what did gold do? Gold basically tested this previous resistance as a support, and then has shoot up. Okay, so with that being said, now previous day gold has created the shooting star, today already tested, and I think that gold will go up and should hit our profit target. Smash the like button. Now go to the 4-hour time frame. Now let me tell you why I have sent this trade signal to our VIP members. It could be a winner, it could be a loser, but that is trading. Okay, we are always, you see, we have a 2-to-1 reward to risk. That means that if NZD/USD hit our profit target just a couple of pips later, we will have 2 times profit. Now gold hit profit target, we will have 2 times profit, we will have 4 times profit. Any trade if we lose, that's completely fine, because we have high risk to reward ratio all the time in our trade. Now when this 4-hour candle was forming, okay, this 4-hour candle was forming, that time I have sent a trade signal. Now reason why, see, you see this dotted line, let me delete this one. This is what you need to understand when you are trading. What you saw that this the price, you see the closing day, the price has created this very, very important level of support here. You saw this is the daily support that just we have discussed. Okay, and the price today with this red candle came here, grabbed the liquidity and started to boost, or start to buy from here. And what we saw, that you see there is a 20 period moving average, and let me show you on the 4-hour time frame how gold is creating a trend. See, when you see a nice trend like this, what else you need? Smash the like button. You see this is a nice uptrend. First from here, impulse correction, see, impulse correction, impulse, now correction, and we can expect another impulse. Let me separate this one. See, nice uptrend, creating a series of, every time the price is creating a series of higher high, okay, and higher low. Every time the price is creating a series of higher high and higher low. This is a nice uptrending market structure. So what did we do? We bought on the pullback. Okay, this is the pullback. Previous resistance here, tested as a support, even created a false breakout. Okay, so that's a high probability that gold will move in this fashion to the upside. High probability trade, could be wrong at any point. No trader in the world always 100% of the time right, but when we trade, we take big one. Okay, so far we are in profit on gold as well. Smash the like button. And also our NZD/USD trade, let's see what's happening. It could go for some retracement, let it go. So let's see what else in the chat section. I see that Rajan Chakrabarti said, dear sir, thank you so much. No problem, Rajan. We are a web signal. Yes, Khalid, our signal sent in our VIP channel. Check your VIP channel. If you haven't joined yet, then let me know. I think that you have joined. You should have joined, because the day you signed up, the signal was there. Mary said, I learned a lot. It's more clear to my now in analysis the market trend structure price action. Thank you. Yes, Mary, thank you for being with this channel. This is my intention, is to create trader. Okay, I don't create loser. My intention is to create successful, profitable trader, and that is my intention. There is a book called Reality Transurfing. It's a famous book. It's almost, if you want to read this book, it might take you years. I listened to the audio book. It took me 30 hours. That's called a Reality Transurfing. It's a quantum physicist, Russian quantum physicist wrote. Okay, you can create your own reality if you know this technique. So in this book, he says that, Napoleon Hill says that desire creates result. Okay, it's old school thought, but this physicist said that if you want to create your reality, you need to create an intention. Intention create the result, not the desire. So always keep an intention, it will come to you, because you are the most powerful in this universe. So let's begin with another, Suman said GBP USD. So let's find out GBP USD. Now, as I told you that NZD USD, GBP USD, all are similar kind of pairs, because they all are USD pairs. Okay, AUD USD, Euro Dollar, all are trading in the similar fashion, but NZD is very, very weak, and also GBP also there is some weakness in GBP as well. GBP also has created a false breakout. You see this candle. This one I talked about yesterday's separate video on how to understand the false breakout. So hopefully you have got this kind of education. No one will give you for free, and that's the real education. So now let's find out what's happening with GBP USD. Now GBP USD creating a nice structure. So let me show you on the monthly time frame what you saw. That monthly GBP USD, as I analyzed in quite a few of my pair, GBP USD is bearish and continue to be bearish, and I strongly believe that it will continue to go down. You saw that monthly is bearish. Previous months there has been a strong bearish candle. This month it's still narrow in the monthly, but there has been a lot of up and down in this zone, and it's still bearish, and we might see a spike to the downside on GBP USD. So let's find out on the weekly time frame what's happening with GBP USD. Now weekly, we saw that there has been a dodgy previous week. As soon as market opened, the price started to fall down from here. So let's see on the daily time frame how the price action is forming. Now daily as well, you saw that the price has created the price basically has broken this, creating it's a strongly bearish market. It's creating a bearish price action. So what might happen that it could be go up aggressively and then fall down, or we might see a drop from here. So if we see the daily candle is closing like that, we could see a drop from here. So let's see on the 4-hour time frame then how we can trade. We have already seen a false breakout, and it could be the starting of the down move. So let's analyze this 4-hour market structure. As you have seen that when this candle was forming, I posted analysis on GBP USD, and that is what happened. The price dropped from here. You must have seen that last week, and the price dropped from here exactly as per the analysis, then created a consolidation and deceleration, again drop, again the price went up. Now we see another drop. So this is what is likely to happen. And what we saw that GBP USD basically today, last 4-hour candle came this level of resistance, support tested as a resistance, and we see a drop. So what you can expect GBP USD to continue to drop. Okay, so this false breakout is basically to break this support. So when the price approach an important level of support or resistance, the price normally create false breakout to grab liquidity. So what does it mean? It means that GBP USD already created a false breakout to the upside. Now it is ready for a drop. So what we might, I strongly believe that GBP USD slowly will break this level of support. Okay, will break this level of support and will drop. Then you might say, okay, I didn't enter a trade, then how can I trade? The best way to do is wait for this level to be support to be broken. On the retest as a resistance, we can enter a trade. Okay, keep in mind that I can't give anyone any advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own analysis. This is only for educational purpose. I'm a trader, I'm not a financial advisor. I trade, sometimes I lose, sometimes I win, but when I win, I take a big one. That's how traders become profitable. Smash the like button now, and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's find out what else, GBP AUD. Kakulan asked for GBP AUD. Let's see. I think Sherry, thank you for really motivating us every day. Yes, Sherry, this is my job. I'm more of a motivator than a trader. Milkias, thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you. No problems, Milkia. Binumar, thank you so much, sir. Please, what can you say about USD CAD? Gold bless. Okay, God bless. Okay, USD CAD. Let me see. What can I say about USD CAD? So USD CAD slowly decelerating, and I think that is still okay. So USD CAD, to be honest, it's still bearish to me, but USD could be very, very stronger at some point, because wait for 10:30 news release, and then we'll see what happened, because news release is really, really important. So after the news release, we might find a direction on USD CAD. Okay, news release will give you a really good option for this one. So what might happen in this news release? We might see spike, and then closing somewhere here, and then we might see a drop. So let's see what happened with the news release. We might see a drop, but I can't guarantee, because that's why I was not sure. I didn't enter USD CAD trade. And gold we entered, so we are in profit, and also NZD USD. Let's see what's happening now. Let's see GBP AUD. What's happening with this one? Now GBP AUD, let's see first of all higher time frame, monthly time frame. Now monthly GBP AUD, see, it was strongly bearish market, GBP AUD, but 2 weeks gone, we saw that slowly the buyers trying to push the price high, but this is an overall bearish market, keep in mind. So let's see, still we are not sure on the monthly, it will go up further or will come down. Okay, one thing I can say on the monthly on GBP AUD, just now I have seen that you see GBP AUD has created nice double top, okay, in this monthly time frame. So when you see a double top, as I told you, what can you expect? The price to go up and test this previous neckline of this double top, that is previous support as a resistance. So with that being said, we might see this month or next month GBP AUD to go up and test this level. With that sense, we could see a bullish momentum. But let's see weekly. Now weekly, after this doji, we saw the price last week the price went above. This week the price creating a doji. Okay, still it's a doji, but the only way I'll trade GBP AUD, I can't say at this point which way it will move, but sure that at some point GBP AUD will move to this level. Why? Because you see this is the previous support neckline of this double top. This is a very, very high probability zone, and also you see there is a long bearish engulfer. There has been a false breakout to the upside here, and I strongly believe that at some point GBP AUD will go to this level, and that is where I will be waiting for a nice long short trade for a very, very high risk to reward. So with that being said, let's see daily. Okay, daily the price action so far is showing a little bit of bullish momentum. Okay, why? I think GBP AUD is trying to break this level of daily support. There is a daily resistance, pardon me, daily resistance you can see. Okay, so now what I will be doing is, you see today's candle basically came here. This is a very, very important level of support with this red candle. Now what we saw that on GBP AUD on the daily time frame, it has created an inverted head and shoulder pattern. You see clearly inverted head and shoulder pattern. Now after this inverted head and shoulder, what you saw that this neckline of this inverted head and shoulder resistance now today tested as a support, and we saw that buyers are buying. So what does all this mean? It means that we saw that monthly we have a confluence for going up to test this level monthly and weekly, okay, and now daily has given us a reversal pattern. So what does all that mean? That GBP AUD preparing for a rise up to this level. Smash the like button now. Now let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Now what it is doing, basically it broke this trend line on the GBP AUD, okay. It has created basically a false breakout to this trend line, and now we see the bulls are coming into the market. So what I will be doing is I will be waiting for this 4-hour resistance to be broken. As soon as this resistance is broken, okay, GBP AUD, then as soon as this resistance will be broken, I will be wait for a structure to be created as a support, and then I'll look for buy opportunity GBP USD to this level, and then I'll think for selling. This is how the best trading plan can be to me for GBP AUD. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and also smash this like button. So let's find out what's happening with other currency pairs. So Nazir said, hello, how you gonna manage NZD USD trade? Nazir, let me go to the NZD USD again. Nazir asked a question, how we gonna manage? So I will manage the NZD USD. Either I will get the profit or I will get the loss. That's how I manage trade. Okay, I don't compromise. I'll get the full profit. It has already created a bearish angle for high probability that NZD USD will come down. If it doesn't come down, we'll let it go. But the way I manage is either I take profit or I take loss, because I have a risk 2 to 1 risk to reward, 2 to 1 reward to risk, and if in case it hit my stop loss, that's completely fine. But already the trade is more than 1.5 profit, you saw that, and I will look forward to getting this profit in my pocket. So that's in my BIP members pocket as well. And at the same time on the gold as well, we are pushing to the high and we are making money on gold. If you want to join this winning team, last day of discount for the for this Easter holiday, go to the description area, join today. There is a lot of value in it. You have seen that. So Khalid says US oil, but unfortunately US oil is not showing in trading view. They're closed for some reason. I have to look at it. This is only available on MetaTrader 4, so just keep it aside. I'll find out and then we'll talk about it. Samantha, Brittany, thank you for everything. The moment I found your page, I knew this was it. Yeah, thank you, Samantha. Great to have subscriber like you. That's why we feel so good about you, and that's why I sit down every day in this trading desk to trade people like you, and that's my goal, is to help every trader to become the best trader possible. So Mixji asked for NAS 100. So let's see what's happening with NAS 100. So Nasdaq 100, let's see. Okay, so Nasdaq 100 has created, let me see, has created, so it is basically still bearish. Okay, let me show you on the daily time frame. So what it has done basically yesterday, bounced from this previous support as a resistance, previous resistance as a support. You saw that the price basically bounced from this. There is a resistance here on the, there was a double bottom here. This is the daily chart, NAS 100, and then from this resistance, what happened, the price just acted as a support and we saw primary bounce. We might see further bounce, and not guaranteed, no one can guarantee a trading, but I think still it's bearish. Okay, let's see on the 4 hour what happened. So the price action, you see quite a few doji has been created. So what I think that you see Nasdaq 100 testing this previous support here, okay, support here, testing as resistance, and I think that it might even go up to test here, and then we might see drop. So Nasdaq 100 so far it is fully not developed, so I will be in a sideline from this kind of market. Rather I will be trading on gold or trading on USD pairs that is giving us trading opportunity. So I will be in a sideline because Nasdaq 100 is currently moving in a sideways. This is a sideways, so you're not sure which way it is going. So Mark asked a question, Azam, do you take your trades on the 4-hour time frame or do you trade to the shorter time frame to place your trade? I trade my trading decision based on 4-hour, but because I mastered this time frame in such a way that even I can scalp on the 4-hour time frame, because see, when the 4-hour candle form, they have some pattern that I understand. Let's say 1 hour ago, if 4-hour candle doing in certain way, I know I almost in 90% case I know that where this candle is might close. Okay, so what it is preparing for. So let's say if I see that just 1 hour earlier, okay, a 4-hour candle like this, like doing like that, okay, let's say the price is going up and down at certain level. So from the activities, if I observe this candle, where this candle is formed and how this candle is going up and down, I can determine that what this candle is going to do, because that's why I told you in many of my video, master one time frame. When you look at one candle all day long, because there was a time days and night I looked at the chart to find out where. So after looking for very long time, what happened is how the candle form, what is their behavior based on time frame, based on news release, based on weekend, based on weekdays. I have an pattern in my brain that I can recognize that what's gonna happen, and that's a big edge over the market. And this kind of skill, to be honest, cannot be taught, because I can teach you what is a candlestick pattern, I can teach you how to trade everything, but when the candle vibrate, go ups and down, that's only can be achieved through experience, that direct experience. That's why I tell you that learn from me, understand, but at the same time spend some time in front of the chart, and then you will become a great trader. You see GBP JPY yesterday, what did I say? That it is likely to bounce from this monthly support, and that is what happened. There is a big bounce. Okay, if anyone has taken this trade, you should make at least 1 to 10 risks to reward. Smash the like button. That is trading. Okay, that is trading. If you trade from here, it should be at least 1 to 5 or 6 risks to reward ratio trade, and that's how the real traders trade. So okay, Kevin says, sir, I'm sorry I'm late. No problem, no need to be sorry, we all are late at some point. So let's find out. Mixchi says thank you, no problem. Now say nice management, not thinking too much about outcome, but never close partial or moving stop loss, be when the price. Yes, Nazir, that is the best trade management. See why I don't see, this is the best trading education. I can give you, see, I will tell you something, and if you follow that, I can give you guarantee that you will never lose money. Is that firstly, never ever take a big risk. Okay, firstly. Secondly, do not worry about the trade too much, because when we do worry, when we take a big risk, right? Let's say I have a $10,000 account as an example, I took a risk of 5,000, then there will be worry. But if I have a 10,000, if I risk $100, 1% or $200, 2%, I will not be worried. Okay, if I lose one trade, what's happened? But if I gain, I will gain 600 or 400. Okay, I have a more risk to reward. So that is trading. Then forget, set and forget. Because what happened in my experience, I have seen, and with my students' experience also, I have a vast experience, that when you ponder a trade, look at it over and over again, you either close it early or you either mess up. That is certain. We are human, we all are made from the same fabric of this universe. Okay, the way I think, all thinking are same. There is a saying in that there's only one mind, that's called the universal mind. These are secret education, and there is a one subconscious mind that we all are share. There's only one in this universe. So, and you might say, then why people varies from one to one is because, see, let me give you an example. This is from a very, very secret book. Is that, let's say a house made of mud, the chair made of mud, table made of mud, glass made of mud, everything made of mud. Now what happened? The shape is different, but the material is same. Everything is mud. Similarly, we all human looks different, thinking is different, but the primitive, the raw nature is same. We all deep inside the same. Okay, we have the same desire, we have the same approach, we all look at the same things. So that's why when you examine yourself, you can understand everyone, because we all share the same mind, we all share the same universe. The love comes from that place. When you people realize that, they realize that actually they are one with everyone. Okay, so let's say I am one with you. There is no difference between you and me. That's the real thing. Separation is an illusion. So let's see what happened next. Euro CHF, Chiditu said. Let's find out what happened with Euro CHF. Okay, Euro CHF. Okay, see, Euro CHF, as I yesterday told, that is what exactly happened. The price came down and then broke above. Yesterday, that's what I told, that Euro CHF is likely to break up. Now what you saw, that, let me see. Okay, the price just created a double top here. You see, there is a double top. It doesn't mean that it will drop, but let me see what's happening. Okay, let me see. This is the 4-hour time frame. Let me see the higher time frame, monthly. Okay, you see, this is the Euro CHF and this is the monthly time frame. I think that Euro CHF now trying to push down. It has already created a false breakout, I think, and if either Euro CHF will drop from here, let's see how the price action is from. In case Euro CHF reach, this is the monthly highest possible resistance. If in case Euro CHF go there and create a price action, I'll risk 3% of my account to smash the like button. If in case Euro CHF go to 1.296, this could be a huge trade. Okay, let's see on the weekly what's happening. I think that Euro CHF could go up, or let's see daily. Okay, so daily, let me see what's happening. I think that Euro CHF may go further up, okay, to this level. If it goes to this level, then I will do a big trade. Why? Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, see, this is the reason why I will be very, very interested on Euro CHF if it managed to go up. You see, this is the 4-hour time frame, and let me show you why. You see, there is a double top formation here. You see, there is a double top formation here, and in this double top, the price broke down and then created this consolidation. Now every time I teach you that if the price create a double top, the price is likely to test the previous support, this one. Okay, the previous neckline to be tested as a resistance, and this has not been done yet. So this work is still due in the market, and I think that Euro CHF is likely to go up. Okay, likely to go up to test this previous support as a resistance and then drop. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna trade now to the upside, neither to the downside. So in case Euro CHF, this current candle, let's say for example, in case this one closed here like that, okay, like this, then could be that it will drop from here. Okay, in that case I will be waiting. So there is two possibilities. Let me show you again. There is two possibility. If this one completely closed back below, okay, like that, okay, and then we might see that Usdjpy has created a channel like this, okay, channel like this, all right, and then Usdjpy will drop along this channel. This is the 4-hour time frame like this, and will break down. Okay, if this is the situation. On the other hand, if we see that Usdjpy is pushing to the high side from here, then I'll be waiting for a sell setup from this very, very important level. Otherwise, if it do like this, if it come back to the range and create this kind of pattern, then I will be waiting for this top of this channel to find this kind of trade signal like the pin bar or anything. If I find here, then I will sell short from here, keeping stop loss here and take profit like say 1 to 3 or more risk to reward. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is your trading coach Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So let's see who is on the chat. Who said hello, GBP CHF sir, please, thank you, no problem, I'll do that. Sonia, do you think JPY is coming to sell? No, Sonia, I will not sell until I see proper reversal. I will tell you what kind of reversal I want to see. See, all GBP pairs will behave almost in the similar way. So let's see JPY and then we'll go to the GBP CHF. Okay, GBP CHF currently trying to create a false breakout. Okay, so let's see JPY first, what's happening. Okay, now JPY, see, this is a very, very strong uptrending market. Okay, this could be a reversal. Normally reversal made like that for a short term reversal. Okay, but selling from here in a very, very high speed market, it's not a good idea. Then when to sell, when I will be selling, I will tell you. Let's say if I see a big red candle like that and then slow retracement like this, okay, then I will be selling. That's what I taught on the day. How do you trade a reversal? See, do not straight sell on the top of uptrending market. When you see, I will tell you again today, again, this is the real education. When you see a market trending to the upside, okay, creating a series of like this trending, let me draw it like that. Okay, so when you see a market trending like this, okay, big candle up, smaller candle down, then wait for a slow retracement and then buy. Okay, when you see a market trending like this, do not sell when you see a top. A trend is not finished in one day. Okay, keep in mind. So when do you sell? When you see an uptrending market like this, okay, and suddenly you saw a big move to the upside and then big move to the downside, then wait for a slow retracement and then sell. You got it? Again, when do you sell in an uptrending market? When you see a reversal. So this is one kind of reversal. That means that a big move to the upside, big move to the downside, and then wait for a slow retracement and then sell. Okay, so let me now give you an example. What do I mean by this? Okay, see, you see, this is what I mean by this. You see, big move to the upside, you see, big move to the upside and then big move to the downside and then slow retracement and then sell. When you sell, you got some money. Okay, now how to do on a buying in a uptrending market? So price creating a series of higher high and higher low, wait for a slow retracement like this one and then buy. Okay, so that's how you will do, either buy or sell in a uptrending market. Do not do it blindly. It's not a good idea to do it on blindly. So our gold trade looks like in a profit. So if you want to join our channel, last opportunity today, this Easter sale will be finished tonight. Make sure you take the maximum advantage. Smash the like button, go to the description and then join. It's a rare opportunity. So let's find out what else we have. Mikias Tishan, is there any second chance to get in Usdjpy? Yes, always there is second chance, third chance, fourth chance, always. Just you need to patiently wait for a retracement. Usdjpy, yes, there is a second chance, third chance, but I think that Usdjpy creating a very historical high now. So let me see where it is now. Okay, this is almost, okay, we might see a reversal on Usdjpy. I'll never buy at this situation. Okay, you saw this price, this is the zone, this is the rejection zone in 2002. So we might see a reversal, we might not see, but I will not be buying neither selling at this point. But if I see very good reversal, then I will consider selling. But when the price in such a big momentum, it is not a good idea to sell in this momentum. So how I will be selling? See, if I see, as I told you, you see there's a big move to the upside. If I see a big move to the downside like that, and then if I see a slow retracement creating a doji like that, then I will be selling. Okay, otherwise I will be waiting in a sideline, because this is the historically high price, and buying from this market is not a good idea at all. And at this point, neither we can sell in this market. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button. So I'll take just 30-second break. I just forgot my water to bring on my desk, so give me a second. I'll just, okay, give me a second. I'll come back in less than 30 seconds. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed the trade without me. Sometimes I forget something very important, So let's see my camera. Okay, so I think hopefully you have taken a break as well. So Usdjpy, what we see currently, that, let me see my camera, you can see or to know. Okay, so what's up? Selimi said do short trade please. Okay, Mark said Usdjpy looks like perfect reversal, head and shoulder. No, Mark, don't make this mistake now. It could be reversal. We saw a nice it could be reversal. Okay, Mark, let me see on the monthly. So this is a very strong market, but to be honest, I hate to take this kind of trade, but maybe I will end up taking, but depends on how the candle is closing. But let's pay attention to USD CAD. Now USD CAD is now pushing to the upside because of this there's a news release, and we are seeing that USD CAD is pushing to the upside. And in the meantime, we saw that NZD USD went up for a retracement, and our gold trade also, it's where we entered with little profit. So let's see what's happening with USD CAD, because there will be CAD news release and we might see a bigger movement on USD CAD. So let's find out. So let's see some other currencies, like such as USD Mexican peso. I don't know you guys trade or no. Sometimes I trade exotic pair with nice opportunity, because sometimes exotic pairs also give some nice opportunity. Now I see that USD Mexican peso could give us another shorting opportunity. Let me tell you quickly where we can sell, and this could be a good opportunity for you as well. So what you see that, you see USD Mexican peso, this is 4-hour time frame, created a double top, you see, and broke, and we took a trade from here. You remember exactly, we took a good profit from here, almost 1 to 2.5. Now after that, what happened? The price bounced from this level of support, and created another double top. You see another double top. Now what the price is doing basically, again, testing this previous support as a resistance again, right? So we can expect USD Mexican peso, you see this is the level of support and creating a lower high on this level of support, and at some point we might see support is broken. So then how we can trade? I think that if you go to the daily time frame on USD Mexican peso, the previous day you saw the price broke this high, the previous day's high. Nice candle, nice bearish candle. Now today again the price went up, and I think that if in case this candle goes up and tests this 20 period moving average, it's a nice selling market. Smash the like button. So where do I will sell? I will send the sell signal to my VIP members, and I will be selling if USD Mexican peso reach around to this level. If yesterday's high is broken, okay, if this double top is broken, in case, which is now even on the test of this previous support as resistance, it could be a trading opportunity on USD Mexican peso. But in case if it goes up, test this one as resistance and even break this high, that's a huge sell signal. Okay, so I will be selling in case USD Mexican break the yesterday's high. So this is my plan for USD Mexican peso. It will be a good trade. So in case, let me give you the levels if in case it goes up, if we are trading. But keep in mind that this is only for educational purpose. It is not any investment advice. I'm a trader, I'm not an investment advisor. So this could be a nice trade if in case USD Mexican peso reach to this level. Smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So Gbpusd asked in NZD. I think there is a trading opportunity, just waiting for the news release. Yes, Gbpusd CAD will give us a nice trading opportunity. So let's see what is doing NZD CAD. Okay, yeah, so we might see we might see a price on this news release, and I don't know which way you are thinking, Gbpusd, but my bias is, let me see, monthly. So yeah, we could see a push to the upside maybe, because it's a, we could see this is the weekly. Let's see, daily. Okay, so I'm still bearish. Okay, still bearish. Let's see, it could, if in case in the news release, if NZD CAD managed to come to this level of resistance, then we might see a sell opportunity on NZD CAD. Okay, so let's find out. But I'm still bearish because it's a falling market. Okay, it could be bullish, but I'm still bearish on NZD. So even with our NZD USD, I'm bearish. So let's find out what's happening. So Tiara asked for GBP CAD. So let's find out what's happening with GBP CAD. Sometimes I get very thirsty because in Sydney suddenly started to, it's winter but start to get hot. Let's see what's happening with GBP CAD. Okay, so GBP CAD, let me see. On the higher time frame, monthly. Okay, monthly GBP CAD is bearish. Okay, and we might find a selling opportunity on GBP CAD. Let's see, this is the monthly time frame. You saw that the price after a big long-term consolidation, GBP CAD broke down. This is the resistance, and we saw that this monthly candle just where there is a monthly close and opening. GBP CAD in a very important level of resistance. Let me draw this one here. So you see this is the level where there is a monthly opening and closing. Let's see on the weekly. This is the same situation with weekly. Already the price has created a lower high and lower low, and I think that GBP CAD is nice selling opportunity. Let's find out daily. Okay, daily candle. Now daily already the price broke down after this red candle. The price now currently pushing to the upside. So in this news release, if GBP CAD managed to go up a little bit further along this trend line, I might send a trade signal to our VIP members. So let's find out, let's see how this is reacting. This is a long-term downtrending market. Short-term also looks like downtrend. So GBP CAD can give us, because there is, you see, there is a strong selling candle here. There is a strong bearish engulfer, and I think that GBP CAD will go up, break this high, okay, break this high, and from here we might see a drop. So let's find out what's happening. Wait for the news. I think this is already 10:30 in Sydney time, so it could be starting news release. So let's see what's happening, and after the news release I'll discuss with you how we can trade this one. So this is, could be, I think from NZD CAD is GBP CAD. GBP CAD is more bearish than NZD CAD. GBP CAD over the long term, it's in on the month. This is the monthly resistance. You see, this dotted line is monthly opening and closing, and the price is hitting this monthly resistance, and also there is a strong rejection in this zone. With this red candle, there has been a strong rejection, and I strongly believe that GBP CAD will come here, will create, and that from here will drop down. Smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So bearish, just need to make sure the volatility won't hit SL. Yes, CryptoXC, be careful. NZD pairs, especially the NZD bearish NZD, what is called exotic pairs, sometimes has a very high spread due to the volatility. And what it could do during this time, it could go up and test this 20 period moving average and could come down. Okay, so this could be another trading opportunity if in case it goes up and test this 20 period moving average and come down. So this is the situation with all these pairs. Let me know if anyone has any other request. We almost came at the bottom. And euro dollar, you see, this is the trade that just today we have closed on euro dollar with 1 to 1.6 reward to risk ratio. Smash the like button if you, this is with our VIP members. So if you want to join, as I told you, the link in the description. Last day of last day of discount. So let's find out what's happening with all this pair. So I think that we are almost at the end of this session. I sincerely believe that you guys and girls enjoyed this session. Euro CHF, you see that it has already tested this resistance as a support, and then we saw that Euro CHF now pushing up, and I think that Euro CHF slowly will move up to this level of resistance. As I told you, this is the zone that I am thinking that Euro CHF to come to this level of, this is the support here. It's likely to come up here, testing as resistance and then drop. So that is what I will be waiting for, Euro CHF to come and to test, and then we will be selling. So this is the situation with all these pairs, and I really look forward to Bin Umar said, boss, seems like the news is out. Yes, looks like news is out. So let's see what's happening. USD CAD, after 26 minutes, this candle is going to be closing, and I think that if USD CAD cannot break this doji, okay, we might see nice reversal from here. Let's see what happened, but I'm not trading at this point because we are already running a USD trade, and also we are running a gold trade, so we shouldn't double up too many trades on the same kind of currency pairs. But this is maybe on a resistance here. You see there are back-to-back 2-3 4-hour candle created a level of resistance, and also this is the doji here, this is the level of support. So we might see from here USD CAD pushing down, but one thing we need to keep in mind, it started without any wick at the bottom, so could be a strong bullish candle, but I am still bearish with USD CAD. So this is the situation with all this pair. Yeah, Mark, thank you for your satisfaction. Thank you all of you for joining this live stream. And Euro GBP as well, quickly, Euro GBP, I'm waiting for Euro GBP to rise and then to drop. So monthly we saw the price came well below. So let's see daily, and I think that Euro GBP on the daily might test this previous support as a resistance, and then we might see a drop from here. So this is the situation with all these pairs. Pound, thank you for joining this live trading session, and I will be ending this session soon. I sincerely believe that you guys and girls enjoyed. Give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Go to the description area. At the same time, if you want to get funded, there is a funding company. They will give you fund in 24 hours. Use this link for discount. So this is the end of this session, and I'll see you tomorrow at the same time with Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thank you. See you.